Question number 9. So you have integral 0, 1 dx divided by square root of 1 minus x square. இது நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். What did we learn? Integral of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is going to be sin inverse of x divided by a. So அதை apply பண்ண வேண்டியதான். So here I have sin inverse of x divided by a, which is going to be 1. So this is nothing but sin inverse of x. I need to substitute the values 0 and 1. So what do I have? Sin inverse of 1 minus sin inverse of 0. இது என்னது? f of b minus f of a. Okay. Now what are the values of sin inverse 1? Sin inverse 1 is going to be theta. அப்ப sin theta equals 1. What all values can it take? Sin theta equals 1 na theta can be pi divided by 2. Okay. So this is my sin inverse of 1. Pi divided by 2. அதே மாதிரி sin inverse of 0. What do I have? Sin inverse of 0 is going to be theta. Sin theta equals 0. So theta equals 0. So when I substitute the value, sin inverse of 1 is going to be simply pi by 2 minus 0. So my final answer is going to be pi divided by 2. இதெல்லாம் inverse trigonometric chapterல படிச்சிருக்கோம். Okay. Now question number 10. dx divided by 1 plus x square. So இதுவும் நமக்கு ஈஸியா தெரியும். So you have integral of 0, 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square is going to be tan inverse of x 1 by a, tan inverse of x by a, but in that a oda value is 1. Now I have to apply 0 and 1. What happens when I substitute? So it is going to be tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. If tan inverse of 1 enna? Tan inverse of 1 is going to be theta. Tan theta equals 1. So theta equals pi divided by 4. Tan pi by 4 dana 1. Tan 45 is going to be 1. So theta pi by 4. அதே மாதிரி tan inverse of 0 equals theta. Tan theta equals 0. So theta equals sin 0 by cos 0. Yeah, so it is going to be 0. So when I substitute the values, I have pi by 4 minus 0. So my final answer is going to be pi by 4. Please copy. Question number 11. So integral 2, 3 dx divided by x square minus a square. So in the form பார்த்திருக்கோம். So you have integral 2, 3 dx divided by x square minus 1. It's raining heavily. I'm sorry if it's bothering you. இது வந்து ஏதோ cyclone pass ஆகுது. அதனால பயங்கர மழை. Okay. So what formula do we use here? dx divided by x square minus a square na you have 1 by 2a. Don't forget that. You have 1 by 2a log mod x minus a divided by x plus a. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம போன exerciseலே பார்த்திருக்கோம். So here I basically have value of a is going to be 1. So this when I solve 1 by 2 times 1 times log mod x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 from 2 to 3. Okay. So I have half log mod first value of 3. X equals 3. So 3 plus 1. So this is nothing but f of 3. Okay, minus f of 2. So half log mod 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Direct substitution தான் அவ்வளவுதான் வேற எதுவுமே இல்லை. It is only LKG mathematics. You only have to find the integral. So this is going to be f of 2. Now when I solve half log mod 2 by 4 minus half log mod 1 divided by 3. So this becomes 1 by 2. Now when I take the half to be common, I have log mod 1 by 2 common எடுத்துக்கிறேன் minus log mod 1 divided by 3. So log of a minus log of b formula இருக்கு. So this can be written as half log mod half divided by 1 by 3. So when I take the reciprocal, it becomes 3 by 1. So direct I'll write that. So 3 by 1. So this is nothing but half log mod 3 divided by 2. So this is my answer. Okay. Question number 12. Cos square x dx. So இதை எப்படி solve பண்ணுவோம்? Integral 0 pi by 2 cos square x can also be written as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So I can take the 1 by 2 outside. Integral of 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral of cos 2x. Don't forget your limits. Direct integral போடுற மாதிரி போட்டுறாதீங்க. Cos 2x times dx. So when I solve this, what do I have? 1 by 2 times 1 dx is going to be x plus half times cos 2x or the integral is sin 2x divided by 2. When I simplify x by 2 plus sin 2x divided by 4, this I need to take the integral from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now f of pi by 2 minus f of 0 is going to give me first pi by 2. So pi by 2 divided by 2. In the இடத்துல I am substituting for x. So pi by 2 divided by 2 plus sine 2 times pi by 2 divided by 4. So this is my f of pi by 2 minus open bracket. You have two different terms, so always open bracket. So x by 2, which is 0 by 2 plus sine 2 times 0 divided by 4. You already know that this is going to give you a 0, but always write that step. எப்போமே step miss பண்ணாதீங்க. So this can be written as pi by 2 divided by 2 is going to be pi by 4. Pi by 2 into 2 இல்லையா? So pi by 4 plus this gets cancelled. So this is basically sin pi. So sin pi divided by 4 minus 0. What is sin pi? Sin pi is 0. So my final answer is simply going to be pi by 4. Okay, please copy. Question number 13. In the இடத்துல substitution method. So I am going to take x square plus 1 to be t. 2x dx equals dt. So x dx equals dt divided by 2. So now I am trying to omit the limits. In the ரெண்டு limit omit பண்ண போறேன் because the variable of x க்கு தான் it travels from 2 to 3. But t க்கு the values change. So first of all I am going to find the integral, then substitute the values. Okay. Now I have integral of x dx என்னாகும் dt divided by 2. So the 1 by 2 comes outside times x divided by x square plus 1, which is t. So I have half log mod t, which is going to be half log mod x square plus 1 from 2 to 3. Okay. Now f of 3 minus f of 2 is going to be half log mod 3 square plus 1 minus, this is f of 3 minus half log mod 2 square plus 1. So this is f of 2. This is f of 3. Okay. When I solve, I have half log mod 3 square plus 1 is going to be, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1, 10 minus half log mod 2 square 4 plus 1, 5. So half a common adutha log 10 minus log 5, log of a by b, which is going to be log of 10 divided by 5. So this when I simplify, half log mod 2. 10 and 5 get cancelled. So it is going to be log mod 2. Okay. Please copy. Question number 14. So in the இடத்துல I am going to split the integral. So what happens? I have integral 0, 1, 2x divided by 5x square plus 1 times dx plus integral 0, 1, 3 divided by 5x square plus 1 times dx. So this 3 is a constant. So I can take the 3 outside. I'll write it in the next step. So let me take this as I and let me take this as k. Okay. Final answer is I plus k. Okay. So when I solve I, what do I have? Integral 2x divided by 5x square plus 1 times dx. So substitution method panna, I have 5x square plus 1 equals t. 10x dx is going to be dt. I only need 2x dx. So I have 2x dx equals dt divided by 5. 10 and 5 2s are 10. So this when I substitute, I have integral of dt divided by 5, which is 1 by 5 outside, divided by 5x square plus 1 is going to be t. So this when I simplify, I have 1 by 5 log mod t, which is going to be 1 by 5 log mod 5x square plus 1. So this is my first term. If a second term enna k va solve panna, I have 3 divided by 5x square plus 1. So 3 divided by 5x square plus 1 dx. I can write this as 3 comes outside, 1 divided by root 5 x the whole square plus 1 times dx. இது என்ன ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு? What form is this in? Integral of dx divided by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x divided by a. So when I apply that, I have 3 is already there. 1 by a, which is 1, tan inverse of x, which is root 5 divided by x times 1, the whole divided by root 5. Remember that the coefficient of x is going to be root 5. So இது என்னாகும்? I have 3 tan inverse of root 5 times x divided by root 5. So this is going to be my k. So when I add them both, I have the green one plus the red one. So I plus k is going to be 1 by 5 log mod 5x square plus 1 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse of root 5x. Now I have to apply the upper limit and the lower limit. So 0, 1. When I apply the limits, I have upper limit first. So 1 by 5 log mod 5 times 1 square plus 1 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse of root 5 times 1. So this is my f of 1 minus f of 0 ipo. So 1 by 5 log mod 5 times 0 square plus 1 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse of root 5 times 0. So this is my second term. இப்போ உள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? I have 1 by 5 log mod 5 plus 1 which is 6 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse of root 5. So I'll write tan inverse of root 5 minus I have 1 by 5 log mod 1 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse of 0. So what is tan inverse of 0? It is going to be 0. போன questionல தான் பார்த்தோம். Log 1 is also a 0. So I only have my first term now. So this is going to be 1 by 5 log mod 6 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse of square root of 5. So this is my final answer. Okay? Please copy. Question number 15. X times e to the x square. So, this is easy substitution. So, I am going to take x square to be t. 2x dx equals dt. I only need x dx. So, dt divided by 2. So, how does my integral change without the limits? I have integral of x square. X dx is dt by 2. So, I have 1 by 2 e to the x square is t times dt. So, this is nothing but 1 by 2 e to the t. Substituting for t e to the x square. Now, I need to apply the limits 0 and 1. So what happens? Half e to the 1 square minus half e to the 0 square. F of 1 minus f of 0. So this is nothing but half e minus half e to the 0 is 1. So basically this is half e minus 1. That's my answer. Okay? Please copy.